Makulimlim, oh. Katatapos lang ng ulan. Sarap ng tulog ni Jewel doon, no? Tulog si Jewel. Nakikinig lang si Jewel. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Jewel. Ayan. What you doing? Tulog si Jewel. Is Jewel sleeping, anak? What do you think? Jilana, do you want to show me how you bike? Don't bug Jewel, anak. You have to have her namis. You have to have namis. Yeah. Do you want to go get your bike? You know how to bike already. Come on. Oo nga, puntahan nga niya. You want to show your bike? I want to see. I have not seen it. Okay. Yeah, let's go see your bike. Wala na siya mag-bike. Yeah. No, the moose is not here. Yeah. Here. Naku, Des, ang dami mong... Okay. Okay. You want to bike it here or outside? Okay, just walk first. You can walk. Just go to the garage, Let's go in the outside. It's more space. Galing ah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, you're biking your own. Good job. Is that where you bike? Help you? Do you want your helmet? Whoa! Whoa, that's amazing. Good job. Whoa. Okay, come here. Turn around. Whoa. Galing na. Oo. Galing na niya magbike. Oh, look farther. Don't look on the road. Look farther. Look at mommy. Look where you're going. There you go. Nice. Good job. Are you done? Yeah, good job. Okay. 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 Yeah. What is? Oh, the battery died. The light. Oh, it's gone. Where the missing? Where you going? You want me to hold it? You okay? You do your own. 1, 2, 3, go! But look farther. Don't look down. Yeah. Don't look down. Just look on me. There you go. Don't look down. Look up. Look up. There you go. There you go. Nice. Don't look down. Look up. Always look up.